Hello students, now we will study first simple problem on the D'Alembert's principle. So here is the question. A ball of weight 20 Newton is held by two wires AB and BC. If wire AB is to cut, determine tension in other wire. So there are two cases. Before AB is just cut and B point just after AB cut. So here this is the weight and we have to calculate tension from BC, and where we have to calculate this tension before cutting this wire AB and just after cutting this wire AB. What will be the tension in BC? Now for the first case, before cutting wire AB, it's in static equilibrium because it is not in motion, and hence we can apply the conditions of equilibrium. Now here we can use Lami's theorem. So here there are three forces TAB, TBC and 20 Newton which are in equilibrium. So when we have to use the Lami's theorem? When the system is in equilibrium and when there are only three forces in the system, then only we can use the Lami's theorem. So by using Lami's theorem, so we can say TAB, the force divided by sine of opposite angle. So TAB divided by sine of 160. So we have to draw FBD of point B. So this is the FBD of point B, and here we have to use the Lami's theorem. So TAB upon sine 160 is equal to TBC upon sine 140 is equal to 20 divided by sine 60. So by using this relation TBC, these two equations we can use, and here TBC is equal to 20 into sine 140 divided by sine 60, and we will get the value of TBC as 14.85 Newton. Now this is the first case. Now what will happen when we cut AB? Then this 20 Newton weight is rotating in this direction. So we have to first of all draw the FBD. So here for this point B or FBD we have to draw. So here we have to also define the directions of the acceleration. So we know when the AB is cut, then the AT will be in this direction. So it is going in this direction, and the AN will be towards the center of the curve. So here we have to draw, and also we have to mention the angle of W with one of the axes, and if needed you can define the axis also. So here by applying the D'Alembert's principle, take summation Fy is equal to 0 because we need to calculate only the tension, and that's why we are taking the summation along this direction. So we know the acceleration, normal acceleration, it is in this direction towards inside, and hence we have to apply the D'Alembert's force in opposite direction, that is MAN. So this is the force, and then we have to take the summation along this direction is equal to 0, and then we can calculate TCD minus MAN minus 20 cos 20 is equal to 0. So by solving this we can get the value of TCD minus, so here MAN, so AN will be 0, as we know it is just cut, means initial velocity will be 0, velocity at that point is 0, and hence AN is 0. So TCD is equal to 20 cos 20, and your answer is 18.8 Newton. 18.8 Newton. So these answers we have found out.